2001 Dodge Cummins starter replacement. I have the old starter out, this being the old starter. Got a new starter. Best way to deal with this is actually to take this solenoid apart and replace the contacts in the solenoid. But I don't have time to wait in the mail for solenoid contacts. There's 330,000 miles on this starter, so I just bought a new one. $175 at O'Reilly's or AutoZone or any of your other favorite car parts warehouse. Interesting thing about this, there's 3 bolts that hold the starter in. These 3 bolts are a 12-point number 10 millimeter wrench. Kind of interesting there. I was able to reach all 3 bolts from the bottom without any trouble at all. In fact, the top bolt I was able to reach with the ratchet. Crawled underneath the pickup. When you install the new one, make sure you disconnect the battery. If the hot cable touches the solenoid contact right there, while you're lifting this thing up in there, the gear will start to turn. Kind of a shocker right there. Also, this is an adapter. If you don't put the adapter on there, the new starter will not mount up correctly. This adapter, I don't know what it's for, but it goes right here somewhere, just like that. Make sure you take this off, put it on the new one. And again, I don't know why it's on there, but it is. If you try to mount up the new starter, which is identical to the old starter, without the adapter, you will have serious problems.